today I'm going to do another police car wash, and today I'm going to do an orange. So, let's get choosing. You probably thought that you knew what I was going to say, but I changed it. So let's check the tyre pressure and add some more air into it. Now let's give it a little sparkly clean. Little cleaner. And now for the shimmer of the wheels. Well, I like the automatic ones. I like the automatic ones easier. Never used them anymore. Never used one of them. We like the automatic. So much quicker. So now let's wipe off all the bubbles from the hand soap and dry it all up. Oh, it's pretty good actually. Now let's wipe it dry. And it's still mucky. Okay. Now let's splash it with something and wipe it all away. And now it is purple. Now that, oh, it's like the shimmer shine thing. Okay. Open. Sesame. Okay, now let's choose our colour. I'm gonna go for an orangey colour. That looks more brown. Do I like that colour? That's brown. That is simply brown. Nice wheels. Ooh, police. And now, how did it get like that? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Just to tell you, we're going to be restarting washing and doing that again. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!